Hello, I am here to do my little video for captioning this week, and my 4-year-old is here with me. Uh, I just figured I'd make it a little bit about the class, um, and specifically Rich Meyer's uh, lecture, and Sabrina watched a little bit of it too. Um, and so what I wanted to say, a few things I learned from it. One is the idea of really integrating the pictures and what you're talking about. Um, I had already kind of thought that having too much text up on the PowerPoint or in the video would be difficult, but this, I think, helped me to understand, getting that real alignment between things that you're doing, not having anything extraneous that's going to distract. And so that's something that's useful, I think. Secondly, because he was talking about a lot of STEM stuff, because that's what he said the people would pay for studies based on science and technology, math, engineering. Um, he was focused on kind of complex processes. And what I've been doing in my videos mostly is trying to give the big concepts. And I haven't really talked about, processes necessarily in history, and certainly haven't had diagrams. That is something I would like to do for at least a few things, like, say, the Industrial Revolution, that have a series of causes and effects and different factors in different orders. And so perhaps that would be something that I could think about too, is getting some concept diagrams. I understand there's some stuff available for that online, that you can make your own concept maps and all that, and then applying that to history. That'll take a certain amount of time to do, so maybe that'll be in future semesters. So those are a couple of the main takeaways that I had from it. I think I already tried to segment, in the sense that I'm trying to have an introduction to the readings. I found, I don't know if found is the right word, I have inferred that maybe lecture for history is not the best way to talk about the facts of history, because I'd rather have the students be able to go back and look in the readings and the things that I've typed out in the textbook and the primary sources. It's not always a great way to, in my experience, narrate the facts of what happened, but I think it can be a way to give people the big picture, so they have some categories to put the facts into when they do read. So I appreciated that video and the lecture by Dr. Meyer, and I'm thinking about sharing that with people at our institution for our virtual in-service.